We're running out of fuel. We're running out of fuel in this airplane. Request permission. Request permission to land. No permission to land. Please, we must land. We got food and medicine available on this plane, paid for by the United States of America. We got food on this plane, and we about to land. And food and medicine available, but Donald Trump say they can't have it, and they say they can't have it. Can we still have permission to land? Well, you can't land because he fired all the air tower control people in where's the airport? O'Hare, Midway, Rockford Airport, Milwaukee Airport. Wait a minute, Pop Out Boys freaking go into somebody's house and arrest them, but they ain't the one that live there. But he gonna arrest them anyway.